Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Fugman Elementary School in Fresno, California, home of the Marlins. And this is my first visit to their school. They're part of the Clovis Unified School District. I got to speak to grades 1 through 6 today in 2 separate assemblies. The focus was on bullying, looking at the heart first. We had them right here in the MPR in their cafeteria. And it really ties into their acronym, what they stand for here at the school, which is SWIM, right? The S, if we move over here, they have these different banners all across campus to really reinforce what they believe here at Fugman. But the S stands for show character, the W, work hard, the I, include everyone, and the M, make wise choices, right? The focus though for this assembly really honed in on including everyone, right? That we're able to see everyone for their heart first, just like we see our own best friend, right? We see our heart as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion, empathy fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, right? Hopefully with kindness, hopefully with love. But we also know that in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, we can either uplift someone as high as the clouds, what we say stays on their heart in a great way for the rest of their life, or conversely, we can say something so mean, it stays on their heart in a negative way forever, right? So we have that choice. And for them to know at a young age that they can make a difference, right? Be the difference, like it says right here, that's huge, right? For them to know that they have this power and it only takes 2 seconds, right? Bullying is something that's repeated over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but even those one-time actions can have the same impact, right? And so for us to really buy into that, to know that no matter what we've been through, are going through, or will go through, that we can turn the biggest reason that I see bullying happens, hurt people who hurt people, we can turn that into healed people who heal people. And this planet needs more of that, right? We need more kindness. We definitely need more love. And to know that it starts in here and that they all have this opportunity to maybe change a heart forever, maybe even save a life. It's such an important life lesson to already get, at a youthful age. And it was very encouraging for me because, there were so many pin drop moments throughout both assemblies. The students were all ears, all eyes, all heart, and they were really focused in on the message, right? And I could tell that, that through the heartfelt stories, through the inspirational videos that I play, some of the positive music, that it really hit home. It really touched their hearts. And I said, okay, if it does touch your heart, that's great because that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. We also talk about not just seeing someone for their heart first, but for this too. I bring this up in all my presentations, but we all, with the lines on our hand, have the letter M. I traced one of mine here, right? We have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. This M stands for Marlins. No, I'm kidding. Stands for miracle. Marlins too, I guess. But anyways, it stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, right, then it's up to us, our job, to go be that light to someone else's heart. So thanks for touching my heart today. You're all beautiful. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. Keep showing kindness. Keep looking at people's hearts before anything else, right? Being those healed people that heal people. Remember to swim as well. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.